wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
So now we've ended up in the Lake District. Emma's currently cooking, look at her. Hates the fact that I've got the camera on because she's not got her makeup on, she hasn't done her hair.
Shut your face.
That's rude. What are you doing?
Cooking.
She's cooking.
If you want breakfast, get the camera up your face.
Oh. We are in Pooly Bridge, which is absolutely stunning. We're at a place called Waterside House Farm. We've got the doggos, which are there. Pops and Dolster, aka Poppy Goose and Dolly Goose, who have been very good. They've behaved themselves. Right, so this is one of the fields that you can camp on or park your van on. As you can see, it's massive. And then as we walk over the hill, it then opens up into the serviced area of the campsite, so you get electrical hookup, water, things like that. But we'll show you. I'm getting wrapped up by dogs. So down there you've got a small washing facility and a male and female toilets and showers, and that is for the field that we've just passed. So the hill we've just walked over is Hodgson Hill, and it was a medieval farmstead. So this is the serviced area where you can hook up to electric and water and all things like that, but if you're off grid you may as well just go in the place where you don't need water and electricity. But there is the facility for water, electric, and it's literally sitting on the front of the lake. They have done loads of improvements into this place since the last time me and Emma were here, which was a while ago, wasn't it?
3 years.
3 years ago?
Maybe 4.
Something like that. But yeah, you know, they've just spruced it up a bit. They made it a little bit tidier, very friendly, very reasonable priced as well. And they've now got an outdoor eating area. So one tip, if you are off grid, right, and you stay in this field here, they'll wake you up in the morning, won't they?
Moo.
Moo. Moo.
Ba.
Ba. It's moo.
Amber.
Amber.
Amber. Listen.
Moo amber.
Listen.
Right, so from the last time we came, this is new. We've never seen this before. There used to be a little place down the bottom that done canoe hire, but this is new and reasonably cheap. You know, you can hire one of those out for £20, you know, loads of fun on the lake. get wet as well. We're going to see if Emma wants to hire one.
Not right now, in this weather.
Right, so also you can hire the kayaks and the boats and stuff like that. But just down there, you can see there's a little teepee and there's a glamping area. And when it's sunny, it's lovely. Now just up there, there's a little shop. That's the entrance where you come in and you see the guy and you book in and stuff like that. They sell all sorts of bits of food and stuff like that. Round the corner is the ladies' showers, the men's showers, the washing facilities as well for your cooks and pans if you're camping. And it's just a lovely little site. It's one that we like coming to every 3 years apparently. But we'll be coming here more often. We've told loads of people about it. Loads of people have come here. It's in Ullswater, which is actually a Pooly bridge.
And they haven't put their prices up like everyone else?
No, and they haven't put the prices. The prices have stayed the same. And every single campsite in the UK has put the prices up. This one hasn't. So these are little hobbit huts, little glamping pods. Great. And look at that view. They're a good size, as you can see. I'm not sure what's in them. Again, check on the website. We did say it was a working farm. They're working, they're on the farm. And I don't know what's going on in there, and I don't want to know. So we've walked to the other side of the
Campsite?
That's the one, couldn't remember what it was called then. And we're going to take a stroll round into Pooly Bridge and just see what it's about. But the little walk from the campsite is lovely, and there's even a little path that you can walk a pram on, take a bike on, and it's not just all like crappy ground. So
let's get going.
fun fact, this bridge here was destroyed. Wasn't it?
No, the bridge that was there before it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, this bridge wasn't destroyed. Desmond destroyed the old bridge, didn't he?
Yes.
2015, Storm Desmond came through like an Emma in an antique shop. Literally bashing and banging and crap.
I'm not like that in an antique shop.
Oh no, you're just like that in everyday life. And you can't even deny it. Emma bumps into thin air. She comes home with bruises. Comes home with bruises. Suspicious.
Oh, shut your face.
Okay. So anyway, they rebuilt the bridge. Do actually remember? Do you remember it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
We came down.
Yeah, we came down. Yeah, and the bridge was no more. Don't know why I've gone into that stupid accent, but yeah, the bridge was no more. And that.
Wait.
Wow, murder going on down there in the lower decks. That is the new bridge. Rather fancy, isn't it?
Hey.
So we're going to go walking Pooly Bridge, maybe have a scone or a scone, depends on what you know. It's like star drives and talks bits in it, you know, scone.
What do you put your jam or cream on first? There's the big debate.
Well, your jam goes on first, then the cream.
Speak to someone from Devon, they'll say the opposite.
We've just been for our first meal out in probably 12 months. Well, it wasn't a meal. You know, you've seen what we just had. Granny Dow Beckons or whatever it's called.
Hiya!
Stunning. Best cakes ever. Right, so if you ever do come to Pooly Bridge, you need to go to the Pooly Bridge Inn. They possibly do the best food we've ever tasted. And put it one way, last time Emma, what did you have?
The chicken fajitas, the sizzler.
Chicken fajitas. How big was it?
Bigger than your head.
Big, bit huge. That place right there. Pooly Bridge Inn. There's also the Crown Inn, and the Crown Inn you can just go to the front garden and you can be on the front of the Ullswater and you can just get sozzled all day and watch the water go by, fall in, get wet, go back to your camper van and dry off. Do it all again tomorrow. Emma's buying the dog's ice cream because why not?
Oh. They're both going to be out the same one anyway.
British Lake District style, we're now leaving. Mainly because of what reason?
It's absolutely lashing it down.
Yeah, Sky Daddy is pissing all over us. That's not going to offend the Christians, is it? Sorry, not a religious channel, but I respect whatever you believe in.
Yeah, it does.
Oh well. So it's lashing it down. But my mum's obsessed with wood, so we got her a bit of wood. Don't know why. Obviously my dad can't provide the good wood anymore. Just saying. But yeah, starting to leave. We've had a few good days here. Just dropping a grey tank there, and then it's literally just drive out the farm and get on our way. So let's get in, hit the road, and as my mate Jeff Heatley says, let's see what's next. Oh, there's a duck. Bye bye.